What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete an account on Microsoft Teams. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Microsoft Teams, or you can type in teams.live.com. After that, you will be redirected to the Microsoft Teams login dashboard, wherein if you are new to Microsoft Teams, you just need to click on sign up and sign up with your email, password, and other credentials to create your Microsoft Teams account. But if you already have a Microsoft Teams account, you can just simply log in with that account and then you will be automatically signed up to the Microsoft Teams. Now, after coming here on the right side, you can see your profile icon. Click on this and then click on My Microsoft Account. Now, after clicking on My Microsoft Account, on the left side, you can see the Your Info tab. Click on this, and after that, when you scroll down a bit, you will see the option of Close Account. But remember, guys, if you close your account, you will not only lose Microsoft Teams, but all the other applications and websites associated or connected with Microsoft Teams or Microsoft account, you will lose them all. Like if you have any subscription, your OneDrive cloud storage, your Microsoft Teams account, everything will be gone if you close your account. So make sure to check all these before closing your account. And this is how you can delete your Microsoft account by just simply clicking on this close account option. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.